Again, the 12th question was again a sort of a bouncer for people even who were writing in the mains room. So I'd say second question, if you do not know, that's very much okay. And even after examination, there's no need to go and do research on this topic, because I'm pretty sure there will not be another question on this. So if you know this, okay. If you don't know this, just learn it how much I'm telling, and there's no need to go again about the same issue. There's no need to add chapters, make your syllabus more lengthy. What were the major technological changes introduced during the Sultanate period? How did those technological changes influence Indian society? Now there were three keywords: Sultanate period, technological changes, and impact on society. There are three major questions that we need to tackle right now. In terms of technological changes, let first, in terms of introduction, let's define Sultanate period. Sultanate period is in between. Sultanate period is in between the advent of Islam, but before Mughal. In this, multiple dynasty such as Khilji, Turks, slave Khilji were present. So this is how you will define the introduction of question. Now you can also add with them they brought multiple political, economical, and technological changes with them. However, he had a huge role on Indian society. Now, the technological change. Now, since we didn't know the exact answer, we have to gather and somehow manage the question with the knowledge that we already have. So what we can do is we can start with the agriculture. In agriculture, horticulture was introduced. Canal system were popularized, and Persian wheel were used for irrigation. This is agriculture. Second, architecture. Mortar was used. Arches and domes were popularized. Fountain and garden. Improve aesthetic and overall sense of well-being in those buildings. Third, metallurgy. The coin minting, even though were present from before, it became more uniform in the Sultanate period. Firearm manufacturing became more formalized, and there were technological advancement in the firearms making as well, artillery to be specific, and there was development of steel. Now, presence of iron was there, but development of steel was new. Fourth, paper making. Now, manufacturing of paper were done in China from long. However, in India, it was actually the Sultanate which brought those technology to India, In textile, there is chicken curry, there is zari work, etc. bought by Sultanate. In perfume manufacturing and distillation, were to formalized. So these were major technological changes there. If we if you Google it, I'm very sure we can find more exact and technical terms. However, I have tried to explain this answer in a way that the person who was attempting the answer in the mains examination hall would have done. I have only summarized the knowledge that were bits and pieces of whose were present all across. However, when we write in these manners, we can come across a fairly decent answer, which can score a decent marks in a question which was a sort of bouncer for other students. Now coming to the third part, how it impacted society. Again, we can start it by paper making. It education and literacy. It has a huge impact on education and literacy of the society. It increased, it popularized the idea of textbooks, which which were circulated, and literacy rate increase. Now, in agriculture, irrigation dependence on monsoon reduce. Diversification of crop was there. And third, and agriculture, there's diversification of crop was there because of steel, more strong weapons which facilitated warfare and conquer. There is tools which increase efficiency of weapon warfare and metallurgy, because plus it also helped in making other tools and boats and other strong items which were more durable compared to the previous metals. Now coming to the textiles, it leads to diversification of profession. Now, the India were traditionally known for their cotton. India was traditionally known for their cotton. However, because of zari work, because of zari work, there were diversification in occupation for people who were involved in textile. Now, these were the major sociological change that happened because of the technology that were brought during the Sultanate period. Now, in conclusion, we can say that that these technology, though maybe previously present, were more systemized and popularized by the Sultanate, which led to the leapfrog in Indian society, in development of Indian society. And we can also connect this conclusion to the contemporary development, that how we are seeing that artificial technology, artificial intelligence is transforming Indian society as well, Indian or worldwide society in contemporary. So we can relate this idea with the contemporary development in India, in worldwide society.